Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel. Dream cars in 2026. BMW X6 continues to dominate the luxury SUV market with its stunning design, cutting-edge technology and impressive performance capabilities. For those in the market for a high-end sports SUV, the BMW X6 stands as one of the most compelling options. Here's a closer look at what makes the 2026 BMW X60 one of the best luxury SUVs on the market. The 2026 BMW X6 is designed to turn heads. Its signature aggressive kidney grille, sleek profile and muscular stance make it unmistakably a BMW. The elongated roofline combined with the sloping coupe-like rear end sets the X6 apart from other SUVs in the same class. The 2026 model sees minor tweaks in the front and rear designs with sharper LED headlights, a more sculpted bumper and bold character lines that give the car an even more athletic appearance. The exterior is also enhanced with a range of beautiful paint options, including new metallic finishes and the 21-inch wheels that come standard on many trims give it an even more refined and imposing look on the road. Inside, the 2026 BMW X6 continues to raise the bar for luxury SUVs. The cabin is filled with premium materials such as high-grade leather, wood and metal accents. The front seats are spacious, offering both comfort and support with a range of power adjustments to accommodate different driving preferences. The rear seats, while not as spacious as those in more traditional SUVs, still offer ample legroom and a comfortable ride for passengers. BMW's iDrive 8 system, which includes a large curved touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital display for the instrument cluster and intuitive controls, takes the center stage. It offers easy access to navigation, media and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is also enhanced with voice recognition, allowing drivers to make commands hands-free while keeping their attention on the road. Performance. The 2026 BMW X6 offers a variety of engine options, each designed to provide an exhilarating driving experience. At the base level, the X6 comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine that produces 335 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. For those craving more power, the X6 M50i features a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing out an impressive 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. With these powertrains, the X6 effortlessly accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. The standard xDrive all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in all conditions, while adaptive suspension in a finely tuned steering system ensure a smooth yet engaging driving experience. BMW's attention to detail in its suspension system makes the X6 comfortable for daily driving but still capable of tackling winding roads. With these, the 2026 BMW X6 is packed with the latest safety technology, including BMW's active driving assistant, which includes features like lane departure warning, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and more. The optional driving assistance professional package further enhances the vehicle's safety features, adding adaptive cruise control, extended traffic jam assist and automatic lane keeping assistance. BMW has also introduced advanced parking features such as a 360-degree camera system and automated parking assistance, which make maneuvering this large SUV a breeze in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency and eco-friendly options. While the BMW X6 is a performance-oriented luxury SUV, it does not fall short when it comes to fuel efficiency. The base engine delivers around 21 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, making it relatively efficient for its class. The more powerful V8 engine in the M50i still maintains a respectable fuel economy of 17 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. Farraco-conscious buyers, BMW also offers a plug-in hybrid variant in some regions, allowing for short electric-only trips while still providing the performance Characteristics that make the X6 a standout. Price and trims. The 2026 BMW X6 comes in several trims including the S-Drive 40i, X-Drive 40i, M50i and the performance-oriented X6M. Pricing starts at around $70,000 for the base model, with the M50i and X6M models reaching over $85,000 and $100,000 respectively. The higher-end trims come with more features and enhancements such as premium audio systems, upgraded interiors and exclusive performance enhancements. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that offers a balance of breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology and striking design, the 2026 BMW X6 stands as a top contender. Its bold appearance, advanced features and exhilarating driving experience make it a desirable choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-end vehicle. Whether you're drawn to the more practical S-Drive 40i or the high-performance X6M, BM's offering continues to stand at the pinnacle of luxury SUVs. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget, like, share and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars and See in the Road.